cos pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 7 pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 9 pi by 10. We have to prove that it is equal to 1 by 16. So 7 pi by 10 can be written as 7 by 10. You can write 7 by 10 as, split it. What if I write 7 as 10 minus 3? Can I write 7 as 10 minus 3? I want my class to be interactive. Now I will split the denominator. 10 by 10 will be 10 by 10 will be 1 minus 3 by 10 will be 3 by 10. I have split the denominator now. I have split the denominator. Now 10 by 10 will be 1 minus 3 by 10. Understood? Can we do like this? 7 by 10 can be written as 1 minus 3 by 10 can be. We have learned this in fractions. 7 by 10 can be written as 1 minus 3 by 10. Similarly, 9 by 10 can be written as 9 by 10 can be written as 1 minus 1 by 10. Right? So instead of 7 pi by 10, I'm going to write 10 minus 3 pi by 10 and 10 minus pi by 10. And that will, if I split it, what will it be? 1 minus 3 pi by 10 and 1 minus pi by 10. Okay, I'm splitting over here. I hope you can understand now. There's a formula, cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Cos pi minus theta is equal to cos 90 cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Okay, cos 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. And this will remain same, this will remain same. But pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So this will become minus cos 3 pi by 10. Got this pi minus 3 pi by 10. So minus cos 3 pi by 10. Similarly, this also. Minus cos pi by 10. Okay, instead of cos pi minus pi by 10, it will become minus cos pi by 10. Now minus cos plus cos pi by 10 into minus cos pi by 10. These both are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So apply the formula a square minus b square. Like these both are also in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we can write it as a square minus b square. Now 1 minus cos theta is cos square theta is nothing but sine square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sine square theta. So 1 minus cos square pi by 10 can be written as sine square pi by 10. Now, what is pi by 10? 180 by 10. 180 by 10 will be 18. Right? Then what is 3 into 180 by 10? 3 into 18 will be 54. So we are converting this. Okay. Now sine square 18 into Sine square 45. Sine square 45. 90 minus, instead of writing 54, what if I write 90 minus 36? Sine square 90 minus 36. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to, instead of writing sine 54, I can write it as 90 minus 36. Can I? Yes, I can write it. 90 minus 36. So sine 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. So sine square 18 is nothing but, what is sine square 18? Root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. And cos square 36 is nothing but root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. Understood till here? Now open the squares. A minus b into a plus b, that will become a square minus b square. Open the square, we'll get the answer as 1 by 16. Okay. Next question. Prove that sine power 4 pi by 8 into sine power 4 3 pi by 8 into plus sine power 4 pi by 8 into plus sine power 4 7 pi by 8 is equal to 3 pi 3 by 2. Okay. It is equal to what? 3 by 2. Now 3 pi by 8 can be written as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 8. It's nothing but 3 pi by 8. So instead of 3 pi by 8, I will write 3 pi by 8, pi by 2 minus pi by 2. Instead of 5 pi by 8, I can write it as pi by 2 plus pi by 8. Instead of 7 pi by 8, I can write it as pi minus pi by 8. Now, sine 90 minus theta is nothing but, sine 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. Again, sine 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. And sine 180 minus theta is nothing but cos sine theta. Sine 180 minus theta is nothing but sine theta. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Understood? Now, it can be written as 2 into, because 4 sine power 4 pi by 8 plus sine power 4 pi by 8, 2 sine power 4 pi by 8. Cos power 4 pi by 8 plus cos power 4 pi by 8 can be written as 2 cos power 4 pi by 8. Right? Now, you can write it as 2 into, instead of pi power sine power 4, we can write it as sine square whole square and cos square whole square instead of cos power 4. Can we write it? Yes, we can write it. Now open in the form of a square minus b square, a plus b whole square. And open in the form of cos 2 theta. Okay. So what will be the answer? Sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. This is in the form of a square plus b square. A square plus b square can be written as, what is the formula? You might have learned this formula in sets. A plus b whole square, a plus b whole square minus 2a. This is the a square and this is the b square. a plus b whole square minus 2ab. We are applying this formula over here. Now this is in the form of sine 2 theta. So sine square pi by 8 plus cos square pi by 8 is nothing but 1. What is left? What is left then? 2 sine square pi by 8 into cos square pi by 8. Okay. Now I am taking the whole square and multiplying and dividing by 2. Okay, I am multiplying here with 2. That's why here if I multiply and divide with 2, then I can get it as 2 square. This is not 2 square, it is under the bracket. Okay. So now it can be written as sine square pi by 8. Okay, because it is in the form of 2 sine theta. 2 sine theta cos theta is equal to sine 2 theta. So it will be sine pi by 4 whole square. Pi by 4 whole square is 1 by root 2 whole square. If you open the whole square, it will be, sorry, sine pi by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by root 2. If you open the square, it will be 2 and 2 to the 4, and 1 minus 4 by 1 minus 1 by 4 will be 3 by 4, and finally we get the answer as 3 by 2. It's a simplification part. Any doubts in this question? No doubt. Next question. Cos A plus cos B whole power n by sin A minus sin B plus sin A plus sin B by cos A minus cos B, which is equal to 2 cos power n A minus B by 2. Okay, if n is even, and 0 if n is odd. Okay, so there is a condition, that is if n is even, this will be the form. Okay, and if n is odd, you will see these types of question in limits and continuity. Okay, now cos A plus cos B by sin A minus sin B whole power n plus sin A plus sin B by cos A minus cos B whole power n. Okay, if n is, so here you can apply the formula cos A plus B can be written as 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Similarly, sin A minus B can be written as 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Similarly, sin A plus sin B can be written as 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. By cos A minus cos B can be written as minus 2 cos A plus B by 2 sin A minus B by 2 whole power. Now you can cancel out those 2's. You can cancel those 2's out, and cos A plus B also will get cancelled out. Now what will be left? Cos by sin is nothing but cot plus 1 minus whole power n, because it's minus. Okay, you are adding 1 minus whole power n. And cot power n, cos by sin is nothing but cot. Cot power n, a minus b by 2. So if n is even, if n is odd, coming to the same condition. Okay, if n is even, this will be the form 2 cot a minus b by 2. And if n is odd, it will be 0, because these both will get cancelled. Understood? Next, prove that cos A into cos 60 plus A into cos 60 minus A is equal to 1 by 4 cos 3. So, cos A plus B into cos A minus B is nothing but cos square B minus sin square A. So we can write it as a into cos square a minus 3 by 4, because cos sine 60 is nothing but 3 by 2. Instead of cos 60 plus a into cos 60 minus a, we are writing cos square a minus sine square a into cos square a with this cos square a. Okay, cos a. Okay, after writing that, cos square a minus 3 by 4. Okay, sine 60 is nothing but 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. Find it. 4 cos square a minus 3 by 4. Now, take this 4 to outside. 1 by 4 into, multiply this cos inside. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. This is in the form of cos 3. We are writing cos 3. It is a small question, but it has been asked for 4 marks, so it's important. Next. Cos a, cos 2a, cos 4a, cos 8a is equal to sin 16a by 16 sin a. So multiply, we are taking sin by cos and we are multiplying it by 2 power 4 and dividing it by 2 power 4. Okay. Now, by multiplying with 2 power 4 sin a. Okay, we are taking this LHS and we are multiplying and dividing it by 2 power 4 sin a by 2 power 4 sin a. So now, if we open this and take 1 2 to this side, these two will become sin a 2 sin a cos a. So what is the formula? 2 sin a cos a is equal to sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. 2 sin a cos a is equal to 2 sin a cos a is equal to 2 sin theta. So we are having 4 2's, 1, 2, 3, and the fourth 2 cos a sin a will be sin 2 theta, and cos 2a will be cos 2a, and cos 4a will be cos 4a. Then again we have to use one more 2. 2 cos a sin a will be cos 4 theta sin 4 theta. Then again apply one more 2. 2 sin a cos a will be cos 8 theta. Then again apply one more 2. 2 cos a sin a will be sin 16a. Okay, and open this 2 power 4, it will be 16. Hence you got the RHS. We are applying only this formula in this question and we are multiplying and dividing it by sin 2 power 4 sin a. Now prove that sin 18 is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. So we have already seen these type of questions. Now, how to solve it? I asked you to remember sin 18, but we should know how can we get sin 18, right? So first of all, take a is equal to 18. Now multiply 5 on both sides. So 5a is equal to 90. Now 5a can be written as 2a plus 3a plus 90. Send 3a to right hand side. 2a is equal to 90 minus 3a. Apply sine on both sides. Sin 90 minus theta will be cos theta. Cosine 2 theta is nothing but 2 sin a cos a. And cos 3a is nothing but 4 cos 3a minus 3 cos a. Okay. Now divide both of them with cos a. So one cos a will be cancelled from here, and cos cube will become cos square, and this cos will also get cancelled out. If you divide the whole equation with cos a, because cos 18 is not equal to 0. Now, cos square A can be written as 1 minus sin square A. Open the bracket, simplify and send it. So this is in the form of quadratic equation. It is in the form of quadratic equation. A x square plus bx plus c. Now, in order to find the roots, we have a formula. In order to find these roots, we have a formula. What is that formula? Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now apply a, b and c in this formula. Minus 2 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Simplify this, you will get it as root 5 minus 1 by 4.